side, just like the Moonraker was in search of dream of gold. I search for love, for someone to have and hold. I've seen your smile in 1,000 dreams, felt your touch, and it always seemed you love me, you love me. Where are you? When will we meet? Take my unfinished life and make it complete, just like a moonraker whose his dreams will contemplate. And I know that you are only a kiss away. Seen your smile in 1,000 dreams, felt your touch, and it always seemed you love me, you love me. Well, hi there, pluckers. I was Sore Fingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting lesson preview. This is probably going to be the last James Bond one. I forgot to do this one, okay. Shirley Bassey, of course, and Moonraker from the James Bond film of the same name. Standard tuning, capo 2nd fret. We're doing it in the key of B, which is the original soundtrack key, okay. So hopefully you'll join me in a day or so for the breakdown. Not too difficult, this one, okay. See you soon.